Good morning, sir. I am Raven Rosero, and this is my final video requirements and Forensic 1 Personal Identification Technique. Number 1. Paul Elkert, father of criminalistic in United States. Number 2. Rodolph P. archival racist or forensic photography. Number 3. Edmund Lockhart, father of choroscopy. Number 4. William Herschel, father of chiroscopy, polygraphy, lie detection or lie detector test, forensic anthropology, skeletal remains, forensic odontology, dental science, DNA profiling, also called DNA fingerprinting. Foot means mark. Foot line means the longitudinal. 11. Caucasian means fair. Malayans means brown. Negros means black. 14. Red Indians means flathead. Malayan, round head. Tribal marks, a common practice of some tribes. Sexual organs, circumcision may help in identification. Blood examination or ABO grouping. 19 portrait parley, speaking likeness or mugshot. Tattoo, permanent ink design in the skin. Scarification, skin tissue. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, scopian, to study or examine. Polydactyl, born with more than regular number of 10 finger. Macrodactyl, having enlarged finger. Microdactyl, having small finger. Ectrodactyl, born with missing finger. Syndactyl, side fusion of the finger. Lucila Lalu, the first Filipino chop-chop lady. Robert James Pitts, a man without fingerprint. So yun, doon na po nagtatapos ang aking video, and thank you po.